Melo, no, rebounded by Clifford. Three for Rex. Is it in? 2 points. Rebounded by Clifford. Almost a steal by Conrad. No, complete steal. Rex for three, no good. Richard with a rebound, pass to Edwin. Clifford with a cut, using the glass for two. The score is 4-3. Rebounded by Boss Rene, but follow-up was not good. 4-3 still the score. Joey. After Richard jumper. Yes, all net for Richard. Score is 6-3. 3-point lead for Intuitive. Boss Rene, yes, jumper for two. Sorry, let me miss it. 6-5, 1 point lead for Intuitive. 7 minutes 50 remaining in the first quarter. Richard, blocked by Conrad. 3-2, pass to Jesse. Jesse using the glass. Richard with a rebound. Melo, 3-on-2, bounce pass to Clifford. 2 points, assist from Melo. 8-5, 3-point lead for Intuitive Blue. Rex. To Conrad with a 4 teammate. Takes. Pass to Rex. To Mang Jose, jumper. Overshoots it, but Rene gets the rebound. Resets it, back to Rex. Rex for three. Edwin controls the board. Melo against four. Almost a steal, but recovers it. Edwin passing to Joey for three. Short. Mang Jose, long rebound. 8-5 is still the score. Travel. Good defense by Blue. 8-5 is still the score. 3-point lead for Intuitive. 6 minutes 15 remaining in the first quarter. Joey. To Edwin takes pass. Decided to take a jumper but got fouled by Jesse. That's Jesse's first personal, first team foul on Intuitive. Dia pemain depan. No basket, right? Score is 8-5. Second free throw for Edwin is good. Score is 9-5. 9-5, 4-point lead for Intuitive. Bounce pass to Conrad. He got fouled by Joey. That's Joey's first personal, first team foul on Intuitive. Substitution, 5 minutes. Foul on Joey. Conrad. Okay, almost a miscommunication, but Conrad recovers it. Conrad jumper, yes, for two. 9-7 is the score. 2-point lead for Intuitive. 4 minutes 30 remaining in the first quarter. Bonix to Ashong. To Edwin. Oops. Turnover for Blue. 9-7 is the score. 2-point lead for Intuitive. 4 minutes remaining in the first quarter. Rex looking for a teammate. Behind the back pass to Brooks. To Conrad. Conrad! Nope. Oh. Almost a rebound by Jeff, but he stepped on the line. Ball goes to Blue. Next possession is the Red. Ashwa for three. Nope. Rex with the long rebound. Rex against two. Pass it to Jeff. Drives to the basket. It's short. Rebound by Jay. Phoenix misses it, but rebound from Edwin. Follow up by Edwin for two. 11-7 4-point lead for Intuitive with 3 minutes remaining in the first quarter. Brooks traveling. Turnover by Red. 11-7. Phoenix. Foul on Mr. Roque. That's Jesse's second personal, second team foul on DFW Lakay, Juan Dallas Art Adventurers. Ashel for three. Nope. Jeff with a rebound. 2 minutes 20 remaining in the first quarter. Score is 11-7, 4-point lead for Intuitive. Jesse. Rex.
And one.
Got fouled by Ashton. That's Ashton's first personal, second team foul. 2 shots for Rex. Switch. First free throw by Rex. Good. Second free throw also good. It's 2-point lead for Intuitive. 11-9. 1 minute 20 in the first quarter. Bonix to JV. Back to Bonix. Phoenix drives, pass it to Edwin. What a pass by Phoenix, but was not converted. Foul on Goods. That's Goods' first personal. Third team foul on the Lakays. Red. 2 shots for Edwin. Nagmura. No good. Naraning sarili niya. There we go. Second basket for Edwin is good. 12-9, 3-point lead. 25 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Goods. One shot by Rex. Assist from Jesse. 5 seconds to go. Bonix. Rex rebounds with 5 seconds. Scored by Jesse. That's the end of the first quarter. The score is 12-11. 12-11. Ball possession is red. Ball possession red. Next possession blue. Ball possession red.
Bola.
Let's go. Conrad. Pass to Rex. Rex for three. Yes. 14-12. It's now a 2-point lead for the Lakais. 14-12. Joey. Pass to Asho, to Melo to Edwin. Edwin. Cross court to Asho for three. Short. Jeff with a rebound. 40-12. Remain, jumper, short, rebounded by Rex. Conrad. Looking for a teammate. There you one. Rex. Bounce up. Steal by Joey. Joey with a steal out and a pass by Melo to Edwin connection. Assist from Melo. 2 points for Edwin. 14 up is the score. Tie ball game. Turnover by Red. 8 minutes 20 remaining in the second quarter. 14 up is the score. Melo to Edwin. Edwin. Loader, no good. Rebound by Conrad. He got fouled by Richard. That's Richard's first person. No foul? No foul? Okay, my bad. Rex. Drives to the basket. Jeff to Mang Jose. Behind the back to Rex. Pass to Rene. Bumped by travel call on Los Rene. Sayang. Wala pa, 5 minutes. Are you injured? 5 minutes. Don't continue. 14 out.
Good.
Joey for three. Yeah. Hindi na pansin. Rex. 14-17. Stolen by Asho. He got fouled by Boss Rene. That's Boss Rene's first personal, first team foul on the Lakais. One Dallas. 17-14, 3-point lead. 6 minutes 30 remaining in the second quarter. Asho to Richard, back to Asho, to Joey, to Asho for three. Apat na nipis na yun. Binibilang ha. Rex. Oh, no good. Oh. Rebound by Richard. Alas ata siya mamahalan. Richard jumper. Nope. Ball goes to Red.
Kita kayo na.
Oh, let's do the substitution here. 17-14 is the score. 3-point lead for Intuitive. With time 5:35 in the first half. Rex. Bounce pass to Boss. Boss Renegade. What an escape, but this is a layup. Power rebound by Clifford for Phoenix. Phoenix waits for his teammate. Pressured by Boss Rene. Joey. To JV, jumper, short, Clifford! Wow, what a rebound by Cliff. Sipak ni Clifford. Foul on number 67, Goods.
Parang 35 lang.
Second personal on Goods. Second team foul on Red. Did it? Both free throws are in. 19-14. 4.5 minutes in the first half. 5-point lead for Intuitive. Rex. Lead up now by 32. Defensive foul.
Illegal screen.
That's a third personal foul on Jesse. 13 foul on Wandalas Macais. Clifford. Another foul. 67. Third personal on Goods. 14 foul on Wandalas. 2 free throws for Cliff. First free throw by Cliff is good. 20-40. 3:35. Now rebounded by Goods. 20-14. 6-point lead. Traveling violation on Red. 3 minutes spent remaining in the first half. AD jump pass turnover still by Goods. 3 minutes to go. Rex. Oh, what a mistake by Rex. Lays it out for 2. Ang galing naman ng move na yan. 20-16, 4-point lead. Joey! Wala. Tapos. Tell the ref. Time out! Blue. Continue. What's her name? Mangose.
Tira.
Mangose.
Nice.
Short. Rex rebound. Jumper. Yes. 20-18. 2-point lead for Intuitive. 2 minutes remaining. Joey recovers it. He got fouled by number 27, Rex. Penalty situation, 1-on-1. That's their 15th foul. 1-on-1 for Joey.
JB, tauhin mo raw si Bunix.
First free throw by Joey is good. 21-18, 1 minute 15 to go. Second basket for Joey is good. 59 seconds remaining, 22-18 the score. 4-point lead for Intuitive. Woods. Rene, goes. Jumper, bounce, nope. Clifford with the rebound. 40 seconds remaining. 4-point lead for Inter. 25 seconds remaining. There. Strong. Jesse with the rebound. Red Slater, no. Joe with the rebound. 10 seconds to go. Knicks. 2 seconds. According to the ref, 22-20 is the score. First. Let's play. Edwin posting up against Jesse. Jumper. Yes. Good. 24-20. Look this time. Rex. Jumper. Nope. Conrad rebound, but he got fouled by 56, Richard. That's Richard. First personal on Richard. First team foul on Intuitive. 2 shots for Conrad. One more. First basket no good. Joey rebounds it. Joey, steal by Conrad. Turnover, blue ball, sayang. Hello. Joey, Richard. Oh, he lost the ball. Turnover, sayang, open. 24-20 for Intuitive. Jesse for 3. Oh, sayang, di masok. Nag-bounce. Edwin against 2, lays it up. No. Mang Jose rebounds it. To Rex. Rex to Conrad. Jumper. Nope. Joey rebound. To Edwin. Edwin brings it out. Joey drives. 2 points. 26-20. 6-point lead for Intuitive. He got fouled by Richard. Second personal on Richard. Second team foul on Intuitive. Rene, jumper, strong. Edwin with the rebound. Richard, losing the glass for 2, yes. Bordin. 28-20. Lead balloon to 8 points. 6:50 remaining in the third quarter. Rex to Conrad. Back to Rex. To Mang Jose, jumper, short. Richard with a rebound. Pass it to Edwin. To JV is first. And he got fouled by Mang Jose. Number 84. First personal on Mang Jose, first team foul on Lacays. 1 Dallas, 2 shots for David. Short on the first. Relax. No basket also on the second. Boss Rene, a little rebound. Rex, long three. Oh, turnover by Blue. Let's do the substitution. 20, 25, 30 remaining in the third quarter. Conrad escapes with a 2 points assist from Jesse. 2 points Conrad, assist Jesse. 28-20 to 6-point lead into it. 5 minutes remaining. Edwin for 3, strong. Rex with the rebound. Rex bounce pass to Jesse, fakes. Put back to Rex. To Rex. To Rex. Foul. Foul on Ashram. That's his
5 na.
second personal, 13 foul on Intuitive Blue. 4 minutes, 30 remaining in the third. Turnover on red. Blue ball. Lift, bringing down the ball to Edwin. Jumper, strong. Who controls the board? Red ball. 4 minutes to go in the third quarter. Just a 6-point lead for Intuitive, 28-22. Conrad versus Edwin. Drives to the basket. Steal by Ashton. Phoenix ahead of everyone for 2 assists from Clifford. 30-22, 8-point lead for Intuitive. Jeff, pass it to Jesse against Phoenix. Foul on Phoenix.
That's a senior citizen abuse.
That's the first personal on Phoenix. 14 foul on Intuitive Blue. 2 shots for Jesse Rock. First basket, no good. Second basket is good for Jesse, 30-27. Ito po ang kalamangan ng Intuitive. 2 minutes, 35 remaining in the third quarter. Ashram to Jay. Fakes, back to Phoenix. Jumper by Edwin, no good. Rebound by Brooks. Oh, steal by Edwin. Clifford, rebound and run for Clifford. Foul on Jeff V. First personal on Jeff, second team foul on the Lacais. The FW Lacais won that to Art Adventures. For the shot for Cliff. It's good. 33-23, now a 10-point lead for Intuitive. With 1 minute 45 remaining in the third quarter. Rex for 3, short. Ashon controls the board. Phoenix. Pass to Hooks. Pass to Edwin. Edwin assists to Clifford for 2. It's now a 12-point lead, 35-23. Rex. Jumper. Nope. Clifford Another rebound for Cliff. Jerry to Asho. 1 minute to go in the third quarter. 35-23. Phoenix. Wow. All net for Clifford. Give the assist to Phoenix. 34-23. 42 seconds remaining in the third. It's now a 14-point lead for Intuitive. Conrad. Ball remains with red. 25 seconds remaining in the third. 20 seconds. Rex for three. Nope. Phoenix rebounds with 10 seconds remaining. Steal by Rex. 5 seconds. Jesse. Nope. Good for the rebound by Giga. By Jerry, number 55. 2 shots for Boots. That's the end of the third. One more shot for first basket. Didn't go in. Second basket for Blues is good. 37-24. 30. Yeah, shot clock, huh? We have now the shot clock violation. Ball possession red. Next is blue. Rex. 15-second shot clock. He got fouled by Edwin. Foul on Edwin. First person on Edwin, first team foul on Blue. Jeff. Boss Renee, 2 points for Boss. 37-26. 15-second shot clock. Oh, what a pass! Edwin to Bonix. Assist from Edwin, 2 points for Bonix. Turnover for Blue Red, Blue Ball. Joey for 3. Nope. Edwin with a rebound. He got fouled by Boss Rene.
Gusto tumira ng labas eh. Nanggulang na naman. Ginulangan eh, pang Rocky.
Second personal on Boss Rene. Two shots for Boss Rene. 39. Bonix. Tapos. 29-28, 11-point lead for Intuitive, 7 minutes 45 remaining in the ballgame. Rene against Melo. Yun, nakatakas. Oh, sayang. JD with a rebound. Wow. To Melo, bounce pass to Phoenix. Wow. Phoenix connection. Phoenix assist from Melo. 2 points Phoenix. 41-28. Jesse. Good back to the ring. JV with the rebound, outlet pass to timeout. Bilakay. Meron. Bigyan na kaya ano. Let's play long. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Itahimerin. Steal by JV to Clifford. Clifford back to an opponent. Conrad. Yes. Good for 2. 43-30. Forty-three, 30-point lead. 15-second shot clock. Cliff with a fade by Cliff. Oops. Tapos, rebound by Cliff. Follows it up for 2. Power look. 6 minutes to go. Conrad. Yes, assist from Rex. 45-32. 5 minutes 50 remaining. Melo to JV. 15-second shot clock. Clifford, free throw jumper, nope. Brooks with the rebound. Rex. Pass to Jesse. For 3. Strong. JV with the long rebound. Clifford, nope. Takes rebounds. Steal by JV. Jumper, shoot. 47-32. Bumaba na naman po sa 15. Asha with the foul. Third personal on Asho, second team foul on Intuitive. What's her name? He got fouled. Clifford foul. First on Cliff, third team foul on Intuitive. Rex. Foul by Fourth personal foul on Asho. Apat. 14th foul. You wait after the first one. Second, sorry. First free throw by Rex. This is a 3. Second free throw by Rex is good. 47-34. All free throws for Rex is good. Down to 12 points. 47-35. 3 minutes 15. Edwin. To Julie. To Melo, 15-second shot clock. Julie. For 3. 50-35. Jesse for 3, short. Jesse with the rebound. Steal by Clifford. 4 minutes 40 remaining in the ball game. 15-second shot clock. Edwin spins, hooked for 2 assists from Jeremy. 52-35, 17-point lead. Boss Rene, JV with the rebound. Outlet to time out. Intuitive care. 52-35, 17 ang lamang ng Intuitive. Nalalabing oras, 2 minutes 13.
Wait for them. Don't want to
Okay, let's go. Phoenix, 15-second shot clock. Asho, ayaw talaga, Asho. Last few minutes. Last few minutes. Second shot clock. Jose, bounce pass to Jeff. Nope. JV with a rebound. JV to Rex, turnover. Steal by Rex. Graduation day. That's the 5th personal on Ashon. Graduate. Time remaining 1 minute 22. 2 shots for Boss. No good on the first. Oh, no basket on board. Jerry with the rebound. Phoenix. Oh, backing violation. 1 minute 40 remaining. Conrad, power move. Yes, 13. JV. Last minute, 1 minute to go. 15-second shot clock. Tira mo na, Phoenix. 10 seconds. Oh, block. Steal. Jesse for 3. Nope. JV rebounds it. 39 seconds remaining in the ball game. Melo to Phoenix. Oh! Sumama sa pump.
Shakting pool!
22 seconds remaining. JV. Using the glass. For 3. 55-37. 12 seconds remaining. Jesse for 3. Ayaw talaga. Boss Rene. Ayaw pa rin. Yeah, so that's the ball game.